Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the top 17 biggest mysteries in science. These are the mysteries that have puzzled scientists and researchers for decades, and despite all of our advances in technology and understanding, they remain unsolved. Number 1. The nature of dark matter is one of the biggest mysteries in science. This mysterious substance makes up about 27% of the universe, but we have no idea what it is made of. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, and it doesn't seem to interact with any other known particles. Some theories suggest that it could be made up of exotic particles that we have yet to discover, while others think it could be composed of more familiar particles that are behaving in strange ways. Despite numerous efforts to detect and study dark matter, we are no closer to understanding what it is. Number 2. Dark energy is another mysterious force that scientists have been trying to understand. This is the force that is believed to be causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. Scientists have been able to detect its presence through its effects on the behavior of galaxies and galaxy clusters, but they have no idea what it is or where it comes from. Some theories suggest that it could be a new form of energy, while others propose that it could be a modification of the laws of gravity. Number 3. The origin of life on Earth is a mystery that has puzzled scientists for centuries. How did the first living organisms come into being? Was it through chemical reactions, or was it something more mysterious? Some theories suggest that life could have originated through a process called abiogenesis, in which simple organic molecules combined and formed more complex structures. Others propose that life may have been brought to Earth by comets or meteorites, or that it could have originated on other planets and been transported here. Number 4. The Bermuda Triangle is a region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where ships and planes have disappeared under mysterious circumstances. Some people believe that there is a supernatural explanation for these disappearances, while others think it could be caused by natural phenomena such as rogue waves or gas hydrates. There have been numerous theories proposed to explain the Bermuda Triangle, including the idea that it is a portal to another dimension, or that it is the site of a sunken city. However, no theory has been able to fully explain the strange occurrences in this area. Number 5. The mystery of the pyramids is another one that has fascinated people for centuries. How were these massive structures built, and how were they able to remain standing for so long? The pyramids were built in ancient Egypt around 2500 BC, and they are considered one of the greatest engineering feats in history. Some theories suggest that they were built using advanced technology, or even with the help of extraterrestrial beings. Others propose that they were constructed using primitive tools and human labor. Despite all of the research that has been done, we still don't have a complete understanding of how the pyramids were built. Number 6. Spontaneous human combustion is a mysterious phenomenon in which people have been found burned to death with no apparent cause. Some theories suggest that it could be caused by a buildup of flammable gases in the body, while others believe it could be the result of a chemical reaction or even a paranormal activity. There have been numerous cases of spontaneous human combustion reported throughout history, but no scientific explanation has been able to fully explain this mysterious occurrence. Number 7. The Loch Ness Monster is a creature that is said to inhabit Loch Ness in Scotland. Despite numerous sightings and alleged photographs, there is no concrete evidence that it exists. Some people believe it could be a surviving plesiosaur, while others think it could be a giant eel or a hoax. The legend of the Loch Ness Monster has been around for centuries, and it has captured the imaginations of people around the world. Number 8. The mystery of the Sasquatch, also known as Bigfoot, is another one that has captured the imagination of people around the world. Many people have claimed to have seen this large, ape-like creature, but there is no conclusive evidence to support its existence. Some scientists believe that the Sasquatch could be a previously unknown species of primate, while others think it could be a hoax or a misidentification of other animals. Despite numerous expeditions and searches, the Sasquatch has yet to be definitively proven to exist. Number 9. The Stonehenge is a mysterious monument in England that consists of a ring of standing stones. It is believed to be about 5,000 years old, but its purpose is still unknown. Some theories suggest that it could have been used as a burial site or a place of worship, while others think it could have been an astronomical calendar. The Stonehenge has been the subject of much study and speculation, but we still don't have a complete understanding of its significance or how it was built. Number 10. The mystery of time travel is something that has been the subject of countless movies and TV shows. While it is not yet possible to physically travel through time, some theories in physics suggest that it might be possible in the future. These theories are based on the idea of space-time, which is the concept that space and time are intertwined and can be distorted by the presence of matter or energy. If we could find a way to manipulate space-time, it might be possible to travel through time. However, this is still purely theoretical and has yet to be proven. Number 11. The Fermi paradox. This is the contradiction between the high probability of the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of evidence for such civilizations. If there are other intelligent civilizations in the universe, why haven't we seen any evidence of them? This paradox was first proposed by physicist Enrico Fermi in the 1950s, and it has puzzled scientists and researchers ever since. Some possible explanations for the Fermi paradox include the idea that intelligent civilizations are rare and unlikely to develop, or that they exist but are too far away for us to detect them. Another theory is that advanced civilizations may have self-destructed or become extinct due to their own technological progress. The Fermi paradox highlights the vastness of the universe and our limited understanding of it. Number 12. The Tully monster. This is a mysterious fossilized creature that was discovered in Illinois in the 1950s. It has a long, slender body with a bizarre arrangement of tentacles and other appendages, and scientists are still not sure what it is. Some have suggested that it could be a type of invertebrate, while others think it could be a type of fish. The Tully monster has a unique anatomy that doesn't resemble any known group of animals, and it has been the subject of much debate and speculation. Some scientists believe that it could represent a completely new type of creature, while others think it could be a misidentified or distorted fossil of a more familiar animal. The Tully monster is a reminder of the many mysteries that still exist in the fossil record. Number 13. The Voynich manuscript. This is a book written in an unknown language and script that has defied decipherment for centuries. It was written in the 15th or 16th century and contains illustrations of plants, animals, and other objects, but the meaning of the text is unknown. Some people believe that it could be a code or a hoax, while others think it could be a genuine mystery. The Voynich manuscript has been analyzed by numerous experts, including linguists, cryptologists, and historians, but no one has been able to decipher it. The book has a complex and elaborate writing system that doesn't seem to match any known language or alphabet, and the illustrations are equally enigmatic. The Voynich manuscript is a mystery that continues to fascinate and frustrate researchers. Number 14. The Mary Celeste. This is a ship that was found adrift and abandoned in the Atlantic Ocean in 1872. The crew and passengers were nowhere to be found, and there was no sign of violence or struggle on the ship. The mystery of what happened to the crew and passengers of the Mary Celeste has never been solved. There have been many theories proposed to explain the abandonment of the Mary Celeste, including the idea that the crew was lost in a freak storm or attacked by pirates. Others have suggested that the crew may have been killed by a disease or that they abandoned. Number 15. The Nazca lines. These are a series of geometric shapes and lines etched into the ground in the Nazca Desert in Peru. They were created by the ancient Nazca culture, but their purpose is still unknown. Some theories suggest that they could have been used for astronomical observations, while others think they could have been used for rituals or communication with deities. The Nazca lines are a striking and mysterious feature of the landscape, and they have attracted much attention from researchers and tourists. They consist of hundreds of figures, including animals, plants, and geometric shapes that are visible from the air but not from the ground. The Nazca lines are thought to be about 2,000 years old, and they were created by removing the top layer of rocks to reveal the lighter-colored soil beneath. Despite much study and speculation, we still don't have a complete understanding of the purpose or meaning of the Nazca lines. Number 16. The missing link. This refers to the missing evolutionary link between apes and humans. Despite numerous fossil discoveries, we have not yet found a definitive transitional species that shows how humans evolved from apes. The missing link is a term that was coined in the 19th century to describe the hypothetical ancestor that would bridge the gap between humans and apes. Since then, many fossil discoveries have been made, and we have a much better understanding of human evolution. However, there is still much that we don't know, and the search for the missing link continues. Some scientists believe that the missing link may have been a small, ape-like creature that lived in Africa millions of years ago, while others think it could have been a more advanced species that had human-like traits. The missing link is a reminder of the many mysteries that still exist in the field of paleontology. Number 17. The bloop. This is a mysterious underwater sound that was recorded in the Pacific Ocean in 1997. The sound was much louder than any known marine animal, and it has never been explained. Some people think it could be the sound of a giant sea monster, while others think it could be caused by a natural phenomenon such as an underwater volcanic eruption. The bloop was detected by a network of hydrophones that were designed to listen for nuclear tests, and it was heard only once. The bloop was a very loud and unusual sound that was unlike any other known ocean noise. It was much louder than the sounds made by whales or other large marine animals, and it was heard over a distance of thousands of miles. The source of the bloop has never been identified, and it remains one of the greatest mysteries of the ocean. Some scientists believe that it could be the sound of an unknown species of creature, while others think it could be caused by a natural phenomenon such as an underwater landslide. The bloop is a reminder of the many mysteries that still exist in the vast and unexplored depths of the ocean. So these are the top 10 biggest mysteries in science. From dark matter and dark energy to the origin of life, and the phenomenon of spontaneous human combustion. These mysteries have puzzled scientists and researchers for decades. Who knows what other secrets the universe has in store for us? Thank you for watching.